Hello, I'm Nancy Holacek. I'm incredibly proud to lead RWJBarnabas Health's 11,000 nurses as Senior Vice President and Chief Nursing Officer. As a nurse, but also as a member of one of New Jersey's wonderfully diverse communities, I'm inspired by all that you do to bring health and healing to our family members, our friends, and our neighbors. Always, especially during the most difficult times, your heart and your enormous skill are the strength that makes the difference in the lives of so many. Your careers in nursing follow many paths in a variety of healthcare settings: urban and suburban teaching medical centers, community hospitals, ambulatory care, behavioral health facilities, home care, physician office practices, and in all areas where nursing's presence and care knows no bounds. In each of these settings, you are essential to the team and one on whom our patients rely for your competence and the understanding of their needs. How many letters we receive from our patients applauding the very personal treatment by a nurse that made all the difference in the world to their well-being. Over the past year, your bravery astounded all whom you touched. The parades and the heartfelt clap-outs for COVID patients at discharge all celebrated you and your colleagues for your excellence. Each year, from May 6th to the 12th, we celebrate Nurses Week, and this year, once again, has been identified worldwide as the Year of the Nurse. I'm so honored to stand beside you as we celebrate the nursing profession.
I would like to thank my entire team. In this historic Year of the Nurse, we have overcome great risk and made tremendous sacrifices for our patients. And when we needed support, our colleagues lifted us up. I am proud to see all of us rise together. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Week to our wonderful psychiatric nurses at the Behavioral Health Center. We are so appreciative for your commitment, your compassion, your empathy, your expertise in caring for our behavioral health patients during these trying times in our community and in our country. We love you, we appreciate you. Happy Nurses Week.
I'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of the oncology nurses who this past year during the pandemic continued to provide compassionate and expert care. You were the smile beneath the mask, you were the beacon of hope, and you were the family that we weren't allowed into the building to be with the patients. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all that you did.
We are incredibly proud of the amazing nurses at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital, Somerset, and how they rose to the challenges of the past year. They pulled together to care for our community, always putting quality and patient safety at the forefront.
Hello and happy Nurses Week. I want to thank all the 900 nurses here at Community Medical Center and all our colleagues across the RWJBarnabas Health system. I am so proud of your bravery. In a world where you could be anything, nurses are courageous. Thank you and a very happy Nurses Week.
Thank you, Jersey City Medical Center nurses, for your active participation in our shared governance model. This has resulted in our meeting Magnet Standards for Nurse Satisfaction.
To all our nurses, thank you for the selfless and heroic actions you have demonstrated throughout this pandemic. I have never been more proud of you and have never been more proud to be a nurse.
To all of the RWJBarnabas Health nurses, and especially our nurses at Clara Moss Medical Center, words can never fully express the respect and gratitude for the heroic efforts that you put forth every day. Today, the difference is the world is recognizing you. Thank you.
In spite of the pandemic, we managed to succeed on many levels. Last June, the American Nurses Credentialing Center accredited our nurse residency program with distinction as a practice transition program. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Nurses Week and thank each and every one of you for everything you do every day for our patients.
I am proud and grateful to the RWJ Rahway nursing staff for the tremendous work you do, from the emergency department to inpatient care, from quality improvement to case management and outpatient services. This is a challenging time, and you rise to each challenge with resilience, creativity, compassion, and straight-up courage. You are all heroes, and I thank you for that.
I want to recognize all our nursing heroes here at Mammoth Medical Center's Southern Campus. Throughout this challenging year, you have shown commitment, dedication, and resilience. Thank you for the work that you do for our patients, their families, and our communities.
We're always so proud of our nurses here at RWJ Hamilton. Over the last year, you've taken care of our patients through a pandemic. You've helped us achieve our 11th Leapfrog A rating and 4-star CMS rating. Most importantly, we've been conferred magnet recognition. Congratulations on being noted some of the top nurses in the nation.
I am so grateful for our nurses for their selfless dedication and unwavering compassion in the care of our vulnerable pediatric patients and their families, all while facing the uncertainty of a global pandemic. Thank you.
As we celebrate National Nurses Week, it is my pleasure to honor you, Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital's exceptional and dedicated magnet nurses, for the outstanding care you provide to our patients, families, and to each other.
RWJBarnabas Health expresses tremendous appreciation to each one of you for giving your very best self to our patients and our communities every day. Together, we are shaping your future and the future of nursing.